Now, what is this broken? Broken my dumper buggy. Last fall it died. And it hasn't gotten fixed yet. And it's not. And we've got the excavator. Now, when it was unloading logs with the excavator, I neglected the thing and the window exploded. The window exploded on the excavator. Eldest son was operating the excavator at the time, and this white pine log behind me, this big one here, I neglected to put a tag line on it, and he was lifting it up over the sides of the semi-trailer. The sides are like 10 feet off the ground. It got caught. And without a tag line, when it came loose, the thing, that's about 5,000 pounds. It swung around, and it just very gracefully smashed into the door. It exploded all over the place. And it's not that it isn't fixed. It's been in an extended period of repair. Now, you've never encountered that before, an extended period of repair. Something's busted, but you know what? I need the dumper buggy, I need the excavator, and I need to be able to get 30-foot material into the sawmill, onto the deck, to get it in there gracefully, smoothly, without smashing the excavator door. So what are we gonna do? It's springtime. It's time to cut the grass. You see, the grass is gone. Springtime, time to cut the grass and fix some stuff so we can build some more stuff, because the excavator is kind of sad without the door. The glass is gone. I got a new piece of glass. I did. Picked it up. We won't talk about the guy, the glue sniffing problem with not me. I didn't have a glue sniffing problem. I had let's just say it's getting fixed. And it's glued together with a new piece of glass, and it's gonna work correctly. It's gonna go up, and it's gonna go down, and it's gonna be able to do and keep the bugs out, and keep the splatter out, and keep the rain out. So, springtime, time to cut the grass and fix the dumper buggy. Something wrong with it, won't start. Well, it won't run, won't start either. Something shorted out. Gonna find it, all of this stuff. So, here we go.